So have you ever given much thought to the toothpaste that you and your family are using? Let's talk about that a little bit. Toothpaste is important because most toothpaste have fluoride in it. Fluoride becomes incorporated into the tooth structure that obviously helps fight cavities. What most people don't realize though is that most toothpastes are very abrasive. And over years the abrasiveness of the toothpaste can wear down tooth structure and result in sensitive teeth. So one of the things you should be thinking about is trying to get a very non-abrasive toothpaste. You can go online and find the abrasiveness of all toothpastes, but probably the easiest thing to do is there's a brand of toothpaste known as Sensodyne. I don't get any kickbacks from this company, but myself and my office, I've been using Sensodyne for the past 2 years. Very low abrasiveness, and I found that it has really helped with the sensitive teeth. It has chemicals in it that get incorporated into your tooth structure and your exposed roots and actually block out the little tubules that lead into the nerves of the teeth. So just a thought to make sure that you're getting a low abrasive toothpaste, and I think that will help keep your teeth healthy and prevent sensitivity.